Okay, here at an Asian Mart in Hollywood, Florida. Here's we're gonna go shopping now. What are you gonna get?
Yes, I'm going to buy some vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah, and anyway, I take a look for something else too. Anyway.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So let's go.
Look what it says. It's time to be a chef. Don't spend too much when going out. Hiro-san, what is it time for?
I think it's time to watch my YouTube channel.
And learn something, right?
Yeah, learn something and then cook something your own. It's much better than going out to eat.
All right, Hiro-san, again, back from shopping.
Yes.
And what do we have here?
Today I'm going to make some kind of steamed tofu with the salmon.
Okay.
I think that's very popular at Chinese restaurant, right?
Right.
Yes.
A lot of times they use shrimp.
I think I had it before too.
Right.
And the tofu and the salmon kind of meats on the top. So we are going to use rib meat salmon.
Okay.
So try to make this dish. So main thing is of course salmon rib meat here.
Okay.
And another one that this is tofu, but this is a soft one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use a chive, ginger, garlic, and then wasabi and on the top.
Okay, if you guys notice this wasabi, it looks like it's frozen because it is. And the way to use it, you guys can buy it and then put it in the freezer. When you're done using it, just use what you need and then wrap it up in plastic tight, put it back in the freezer. You always have fresh frozen wasabi. Better than the horseradish one, right?
It does work.
Yeah, it works great. Okay, Hiro-san.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, this is the Bakkafrost rib meat, scraped directly from the bones. There's no preservatives, no additives. You guys can make so many meals with this, so many different recipes. Instead of using beautiful salmon, just chopping up for, like, for instance, spicy salmon roll, consider using this. So much better priced. Find out more about this product from your local Bakkafrost distributor. You guys will be loving using this product. It is amazing and so versatile.
A little bit of soy sauce, mirin, salt, black pepper, magic powder, okay. Cut into 4 pieces. Okay. And now I'm going to make a little hole.
Okay. A deep hole, huh? Because you got a lot of salmon in there.
Okay, so as cameraman say, I have to dig in deeper.
Hiro.
Deeper and deeper.
Go deep. Gotta dig for gold. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what you're thinking.
Sick.
That's not deep enough. Go deeper, Hiro.
I know.
Dig to China.
Dig into the China.
You hear that before?
Yeah.
When people dig in, they say, "Yeah, he's digging They're gonna go to China. Alright, getting better. Just a standard measuring spoon that Hiro's using.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Now, it's so easy to do because also it's very soft, right? This is a soft tofu. Doing a great job. Take a look. And that looks like just over an inch deep.
I'm a professional plumber.
What do you plumb?
Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Call 1-800 Hiroyuki
Yeah.
for quick service.
Big service.
No roto-rooter.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Looks good.
Now the fun part.
One part is I'm going to add the salmon
Okay.
in here. It's better something a little bit on the top too, more like
so. Yeah.
a little mountain like this, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So 6 minutes, right?
6 minutes.
Okay. The dipping sauce, so soy sauce.
Dipping sauce. I just make it simple. The soy sauce and the layu, which is the hot sesame oil. You can add to the scallion or sesame seeds.
Oh yes, that's some scallions, Hiro.
You know.
You mean scallions? How about chives? No.
Chive, yes, okay, we can do chive.
Yeah, it's 2 chives in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of chives here. Additional.
Yeah, some added flavor.
All right.
All right, just about 5 minutes instead of 6.
Minutes.
Take a look at this. Oh, it looks beautiful. Of course, Hiro barehanded.
Yep. Ooh, look at this.
Oh, it looks delicious. All right. Well, I can't wait to try it. Looking so good. So simple to make, right? Guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And give Bakkafrost Rimi a try. If you're in the restaurant industry, definitely look for it and try it. You guys will love it. Kazan, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, Hiro,
Yeah.
now to the tasting part.
parts.
All right, let's take a look at
Okay,
it.
let me take it out to this one.
This thing is still steaming hot.
Yeah.
Very, very soft. Okay,
Yeah.
gotta be careful when it goes in your mouth. It's very, very.
And this.
Gotta be
goes.
careful. It's very, very hot.
Like that.
You want to wait a minute
No.
and eat just like that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Oh, looks like a wonderful dish.
Good.
Good, huh?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
How's the salmon?
Salmon's looks like a salmon, like dumpling. You know,
Okay.
we made it. But that one has a tofu inside.
Right.
But this one kind of in
Straight the meat.
the straight. Not bad.
Not bad, huh? Well, it looks great. I'm going to try it off camera. It's probably too hard to do it while I'm filming. But I can't wait to try it myself. Oh, look at that, all that meat.
I think with a spoon is more easier.
Yeah. Well, Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Be sure to give this recipe a try. Tell us what you can make with it as well. See you soon.